All right, what's up, y'all? Now, there's a way for you guys to make money if you're an artist. Okay, so especially if you're a smoker, you're going to really like this project. Now, what we are going to be talking about today is making your own custom lighters, just like this one, or like this one. Doesn't matter what type of lighter it is, or what size. It can be done, and all you're gonna need is, of course, your favorite kind of lighter, um, some scissors, Photoshop, a ruler maybe, or a tape measure to figure out what size you need to make your wrap, some high quality sticker paper, or a company that will provide that for you, and that's it. From there, we can get started. So, the first thing you would want to do is, get your design together. This was my design right here. One of the designs that I use from time to time, and since I work in the LA area, it's easy to sell these lighters to people that stop by when I'm vending, or when I have like a pop up or something, or an art show. Um, if they don't want to buy something crazy expensive, a lot of times they'll just buy a lighter, or if they need to smoke real quick or whatever the case may be, and nobody around has a lighter, they'll buy one from me. Especially because that, you know, the designs are really dope, and they're exclusive in a way that, like, you can't. I made it, so it's not like you could just walk into the gas station or walk into a smoke shop or order online from Bic these same exact lighters, because I made the design and I have the design file. So there's that. So this one right here is especially nice. It's a torch lighter, and it's windproof. So these you can probably sell for a little bit more, even though they cost the same as a Bic, or maybe even cheaper. But a lot of people like Bics just because I don't know, it feels good in the hand. It's There's a lot of reasons you can like a Bic. It's just a quality lighter, you know what I mean? So you can sell either one of those, or you can sell the two for $1 lighters at the gas station and wrap those with art. Any of those different types of lighters will sell, as long as you have some cool artwork on them, and you're in a place where there's going to be some smokers around, which is pretty much anywhere you go, somebody around smokes and would like a lighter. So anyways, after you get your design, the size of the design depends entirely upon what type of lighter you decide to wrap, and that could be like I said, a Bic, or the two for $1, or a torch lighter like this, or the clips lighters that they have, or clippers I think they're called. There's a lot of different lighter sizes, so the smart thing to do is to get your lighters first, or get your lighter first if you order by the case or by the single, and measure the lighter and see what size they are. See, even this right here is too big for this lighter, so I'd have to cut it down, and that's why you need a ruler or like some scissors. So because a lot of places won't even give you the exact size you need, and you're gonna have to probably do a little bit of cutting anyway to make it fit. So let's walk through how to wrap this thing. See, depending on your design, you might want to cut from the top or the bottom, and I think I want to cut from the other side. Okay, so you get your measurement. Let's see. Oh, I would like to make this a straighter edge, so I actually don't have a ruler, so I'm gonna have to use other items to get this done. Now, I only have a red lighter and a black design, but the smart thing to do is to, if you have a black design, have a black lighter. If you have a red design, have a red lighter. If you have a green design, have a green lighter. Or like maybe the red lighter complements your design because your design is black, but it also has like a red logo on it. So I don't know, just something you want to you want it to complement, so that like if by chance you do make a weird cut and they can see the bottom of the red, it matches it, so it's like it's cool. You know what I mean? So here, let me cut this off here. Now, if you want to take it a step further, which is what I tend to do, like with these, you can take a razor and peel this label off, and it'll come off just fine, just good enough to where you can reattach it like one more time and it'll stick just fine. So you can take that off, stick it down, and then wrap your lighter and then put the sticker back, and it'll like, not only will it make it look more official, but it'll hide the crease or the end of the pattern that you might have on your design. So here's the lighter that I made. In hindsight, maybe I could have made the logo smaller, or it's still cool like this. I like it. It's very sleek and plain, but it beats just having a regular pink Bic or a regular, you know what I mean? It's just a cooler lighter to have. People will pay more for this lighter. Like I sell these for like $5 a piece. You can sell this one for more probably because it has a torch, windproof, that'll convince people to buy it off rip if they need a light. And the places you might want to go to get these done, maybe you might want to just print from home, which is not a bad idea to save money probably. But what I would recommend is probably going to Sticker app. I use those guys a lot. I use Uprints. I use Sticker Mule. Those guys are pretty good. But Sticker app just happens to be my favorite because their quality, the quality of their stickers just feels really, really good. Like these feel like the color is not gonna fade from the sun. If you get it wet, the paper's not gonna ruin. It's like it's a really good high quality vinyl sticker. And this one's pretty good too, and as well as this one. And I've gotten all of these from Sticker app. Those guys are really good with doing their stuff. So, and not only that, the price is really good. Like you can spend $20 and get a handful of good stickers, and just if you want to just have a personal collection of lighters. But the reason I made this video is because a lot of people always ask me like, yo, how do you make your lighters? Who made that for you? And people think that I get them custom made personally for me, which is something that you can do, but it costs more money because you have to buy at a larger scale. Either that, or you can order like custom lighters from Bic. Like they'll sell you make you a custom lighter, just upload your design, but they're gonna charge you $5 or something like that per lighter, when you can just get the sticker paper, get like a lot of them for like, I don't know, like spend $20 and get like 6 or 7 or more square sheets that you could use, and then just buy the lighters separately for $1 or so each. And you know, it could just work that way. So this is just an alternative to having another creative item that you could sell to people if you're that type of artist and want to make money from your art in various different ways. Or if you're just like, you know, you're like me and you're a smoker and you have a lot of lighters laying around and you'd like them to look better than what they look like, you know what I mean? Just, this is a cool project that you can do. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button. If you decide to make some lighters, you can hit me up like on Instagram or whatever. Take a picture. I'd like to see them. That's pretty cool. I share them or reshare on my story and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.